Good afternoon, Emma Lashlini. This is Zita. I'm reporting for Witbank News at Witbank Police Station. The foreign business community has come to Witbank Police Station. They have asked for help after their shops were, we cannot say looted, after the shops were emptied this morning. The stuff was put on the pavements and they were told to get out of the country. They have now turned to the police to ask for help in opening cases, and they've also asked the police for advice as to who can ask you for your papers and who not. There are about 250 business community members or business people that gathered at the police station, and Witbank News will keep you updated on how everything is unfolding.
And mention this police going to disrespect us. Yeah, the police going to disrespect us. We're coming here to open the case, but they're going to make problem for us and said, no, you guys have to go outside the door, otherwise we're going to put you in the cell. This is not the way what they're going to treat us.
So as you can see, the business community is also not happy with the way that the police have treated them right now, and we will keep our readers updated.
Wayengaza wethu makhanya kamakhanya mfana manini ngale ku Facebook uvela ugijima ufike ufollow ulike share izindaba wenzela ukuthini ongazwanga ngalesikhathi wena usabuka afika ayithole lezi indaba ayisashisi izindaba my posts are for educational purposes and make sure ukuthi they keep you alert at all cost. Bamba kanje namhlanje amaphoyisa avelele umshophi ibhada amaphoyisa aseWitbank eCliffordton avelele uyishwa neshobo ye athangazelele esatha certify sada certified next kwangena amakulu amaningi more than 100 adi help phakathi awusasifuni help utho lapha police station eCliffordton asathi help phakathi awusasifuni come help into enginyanyisa tunga labantu. They can't just read the room. South African police cannot do anything at the present moment. I'm a South African are the government at the present moment, and South African police are respecting the call of South Africans. That's it. To avoid bloodshed, to avoid massacre, to avoid a war that is not supposed to happen. So, and by doing so, and amaphoyisa ngokuthi enforce umthetho oku constitution, it is within their right amaphoyisa ukuthi athi no, kahle nina to run this business, it was wrong at the first place, because amaphephe nathi study unenjebe emhlophe ikula kodwa uzothi study and ustudy kanjani uhlele shop every day 7 days a week. So kune contradiction in lento yini uyaganga athe sathi help athi amaphoyisa into esoyenza so nifaka ngale ngemuva manje ngaphumula hayi akehle idebhisi ehlashona emgwaqeni ememeza ke help ngala kungena sidingo khona. Into enginyanyisa tutu ngento eyenziwe Witbank News amaphoyisa ahlahle bekufunela ayikhulume lento le because it was unfair for bona amaphoyisa lento enzeke kubo. Namhlanje ngiyawakhulumela amaphoyisa South Africa especially lawa lakithi eCliffordton ithi into laba ngalesikhathi kudutshula lapha eClarinet kudutshulwe 1 bona laba babulala 2 yabantu bakithi eSouth Africa abakase laba iWitbank News yayo reporter yabuza ukuthi lo msolwa odubula abantu bakithi uboshiwe na, laba abadlisa abantu bakithi upoison baboshiwe na, umalume nomshana. No, iWitbank News it didn't report that. iWitbank News they are good in terms of reporting ukuthi ke for the foreign business community has reached out to SAPS for help. SAPS Home Affairs. SAPS Home Affairs. And he help here, BET help what? In terms of what? No, this is not fair with Witbank News. We are reporting gag, nonsense, useless, bloody nonsense. We are reporting nonsense. We are biased. You didn't go and interview the families. How do they feel? How are they feeling? Because these people have killed our own. You didn't interview those that abadubulile ukuthi labantu laba enibabiza ngama business community badubula umuntu wakithi eSouth Africa. Nibabuzile ukuthi nifila kanjani ukuthi labantu abazibiza ukuthi osoma business babulala umuntu wakithi. And nina Witbank News nize niyasho ukuthi abantu bakithi they don't loot. Bantu base South Africa big up to ukuthi ningaluthi because laba banjenge Witbank News ngabe bathole something to report ukuthi you are looting and then you are claiming ukuthi niyabakhipha. Bathi hayi nina anluthanga nikhipha izinto nayibeka ku pavement. Hayi mina ngiyanithanda ama South African niyakhona ukugeza umuntu bebebe aphelelwe into yokureporta. Yeah. Hayi abasazi bathini ngoba bathanda luthanga niyibekile into zabo nabatshetha babuyele emakubo futhi it's true bana makubo. Of course it's true. They must go back to their home country. Everyone has the home most. And to tell you the truth, ikhona iSwaziland bangaya kuyo. Ikhona iZimbabwe bangaya kuyo. Ikhona iNigeria bangaya kuyo bawuvula itolo. South Africa ithi seyishayila basafuni bavula itolo isishayile. And ama China now sofika isikhathi awuswatchet siyafika enhleki every day kufuna ama Chinas ukuthi they are next. Amandiyazi ukuthi they are next. Ama Bangladesh azi ukuthi they are next. And lawa sayitolo futhi funazi ukuthi shayile. Asikwazi ukuthi kuthiwe sitarget abantu bakithi abafana nebala lethu kodwa laba sibayeke laba vele ama Nigeria ithini into yabo. So ngifuna ukuthi ke Witbank News you've just reported gag. You are biased. You never went to Clarinet and interviewed the families that have lost their loved ones. You never do that. Because why? You're worried about the one that are giving you juicy stories. So impilo yomuntu omnyama is not juicy story ne. It's not important. The important thing is those that are saying help. Eh? Black Lives Matters nina bloody nonsense. Black Lives Matters. Black Lives Matters nina. You never bother to go and ask those that have lost life in Clarinet. You are wondering about those and nigena buza ukuthi abasolwa lo odubulile nalabo abadlisa nigena babuza ukuthi baboshiwe nibuzile emaphoyisa njengoba manifika lapho instead of how nizophazamisa amaphoyisa asebenza nobuzile ukuthi baboshiwe laba benza isihlungu eClarinet. South Africa never killed any one of those people. They've just told them to go home. Finish. So what is the crime about it? No crime. Go home. Wonke umuntu nekhaya. The constitution yethu have been misused and abused by these people. Bazobhala ukuthi study njengoba emhlophe ubhala ukuthi study nonsense. Go home.
Bantu base Witbank ngisho umphakathi wonke ukwatile bafunana na my friend lo ngasingi my friend ubuya lapha eBangladesh bamfuna emva kokuthi kushone malume nemshana itolo lapha eWitbanks perhaps wakuthiwa lo my friend bekaqashile lapha kulesitolo salo malume. So imarch and march ngoba iyamarcha njalo ngoma Thursday bathi beyita ithito umkhipha lapha esitolo wakhuluma lo malume wathi ngicela ungibekele tindo tami lapha phakathi endlini ukuthi nabafika bathole isitoko singe allegedly bavumelana kanjalo bathatha letindo babeka lapha. Uthi lo my friend sekahambile maluma wathi ayi cha ithi ngibambe ma biscuit ngithi wangu uthi asacabanga njalo wangena umshana wathi ngiyakeya mayume bekahamba nase swakhe malume wadla ama biscuits wanika nomshana. Emva kwaloko babethe sebacala babadizi labanye sebahlanda babathatha babisa esibhedlela ngelishwa bandlulile emhlabeni. Umphakathi ukwati kakhulu ufuna lo my friend lo ngathi my friend solo abamtholi bangena etitolo balutha bathatha ngisho lama biscuits nawo. Umphakathi siyacela ukuthi lama biscuits ningawadli niwalahle ngoba kuyasho ukuthi asolo ngokuthi ane poison ngoba badle wona babethe sebaba lenkinga. So ningawadli ama biscuits netinto entiluthile lapha ningadidli zamani ukuthi konke leni ukudlako lapha eWitbanks nikuthenge etitolo la ku approve khona tinto letiphephile tinto letihloliwe nidle tona hayi ukuthi udlela ukudurako kepha ngenxa yesimo sokuthi abantu bekuhamba nebantu bala eSouth Africa basashayisana noma wena ungekho empini bathi kudembi lekhona azameni ukuthenga tinto enzaweni lephephile nala kuticheke khona kwathiwa vela lokulungile ukuthi umuntu angakudla. Siyakhala nemindeni lelahlekelwe dihlobo tabo lapha eWitbanks. Imphakathi ehlesana umoya lobonako leli India or lo muntu wase Bangladesh lo my friend amsonzete emaphoyiseni thina smart maybe ubalekele ngane nenkomazi ngoba bonke abantu babaleka beta enkomazi kwangathi ngiyo indzawo labagcina khona abantu labangafuna kuleti indzawo or nangabe bente ebugebengu leti indzawo babalekele enkomazi amaphoyisa agijime asonzele nganene enkomazi lo muntu ningahle nimthole vela lapha enkomazi indzawo la kuhlala khona abantu labaningi amateksi lamaningi bafikile alethe abantu lapha enkomazi kushiwo njalo perhaps wow allegedly konke kushiwo lapho ukuthi inkomazi kuyaphithitela bonke abantu labacoshiwe etindzaweni mamachi and match noma ngabe yini noma umuntu ugangile endzaweni uhamba ayubhaca lapha enkomazi yebo kuyenteka lokho amaphoyisa nidlale lapha enkomazi ningamthola lo my friend lo ngasi my friend lapha enkomazi perhaps lapha enasi
Sanibonani community ngikhuluma noDinewo ngihlala la e2022 khona la e3 ngila eclinic manje bese umntwana lo mntwana udle amabhiskiti lawa abuya ku my friend lo aqeda ukukhishwa namhlanje lama bhiskiti wanikeze umusa uJola naye ushonile ula eclinic nomntwana ushonile ula eclinic sicela nisincede tu ngicela nisi.
Guys, are you aware ukuthi awu-3 ama-nationalities ayinkinga la eSouth Africa? Ni aware ukuthi obani abantu abayingozi? Ibona abantu abazoketula umbuso lapho. Ibona abantu abazothatha imali. Kulaba abantu asebehambile omakhelwane likhona iMozambique elike lakukhomba ngesibhamu irifle, khona iZimbabwe elike lakhipha irifle, khona iMalawi elike yakhipha irifle. Ayikho obani Ethiopians obani abenza imali ukudlula bonke labantu abala eSouth Africa. Ethiopians and Somalians ibona abenza imali, ibona bangakhokhi i-tax, ibona abathatha imali ucash bayisteshe la istesha khona. And I don't think basebenzisa uWestern Union. Mina ngimningi ke ka Western Union, angazi nje ngihlangane noyedwa wabo khona. Imali bayishushumbisa ngendlela bayishushumbisa ngayo. Izolo bekune video kuliwa ama South Africans elwa nabo beyaphathela induku. Uyang understand? Nini kunentombazane yabo ekadini yevideo isitshele the way abazokwenza ibhizinisi ngenkani eSouth Africa, ngenkani. Yasitshela the way stupid ngakhona, yasitshela the way ingane zabo zizofunda ngenkani ezikoleni zethu ezethi ingane zingafundi. Bathembeni labo bantu? Bathembeni labo bantu labo? Yini laba ayithembile? Uyazi ukuthi last year December 2025 between December 11 and 12 ne bengise flightini ngisuka eDubai, ngaze ngabhala istatus sami ka Facebook ngathi guys kwenzakalani. Iflight engikuyona abantu abamnyama mhlambe babe u6, then kuba belungu mhlambe 15, the rest bekwama Ethiopians. Angikwazi kumehluko kubahlukanisa Ethiopians and Somalians, so let's use one word sithi Ethiopians ngoba bayafana vele. Bewuyibona ngaze ngabuya ngabhala status ngathi basuka la eDubai, suke nabo eDubai, angazi ukuthi baze ba transit eDubai nje bebephuma kuphi. Kukhona izingane, kubona izingane, kukhona ama teenager, kukhona obanibani. Yes, ngikhuluma ngeflight yami. Ake sibuyele emuva ke before iflight yami. Akukaze la eSouth Africa kufika iflight igcwele bona. Kwaze kwasuka indaba ey'ndabeni kwakukhulunywa ngayo leyo ndaba ukuthi bakhona bamisiwe kukhona nomama abakhulelwe uzubona ukuthi babe relocate ngempela kukhona nomama abakhulelwe guys niyayikhumbula le ndaba it was all over the news ukuthi bavele batheleka nje bengena ama permit bengena lutho benziwani labo bantu baphi manje labo bantu laba bangena ngeflight yami bona baphi kubantu ababe travela because Somalia obvious ba transita Qatar and Dubai kubantu aba travel between 1st of November to maybe December 28 27 traveling between iQatar ne Dubai abezela bazochaza ukuthi bona kuma flight abagibelanga inabo mina ngithi yami yayi between 11 and 10 mhlawumbe ngakusasa kwafikela ingiqulu ngakusasa kwafikela ingiqulu there are thousands and thousands bala who's protecting them ngaphandle kwabantu be protection fee who is protecting them ngokwami kunomuntu wabalanda la ebalanda khona wabathembisa izulu nomhlaba wathatha imali yabo I think it's high time bakhulume manje ukuthi ubani lo abamkhokhela iprotection khona nathi sizo understand ukuthi kwenzakalani yabona khona nathi sizo understand ukuthi kwenzakalani sizo understand ukuthi no guys laba kanje because sicela izinto simple things sinama business thina sikhokhi tax bona banama business abakhokhi tax ba bridge ugesi ba bridge amanzi ikhona into enjalo abayikhokheli tax and yet benza ama millions abantu abanjani abafika kwenye country bangenisa emalokishini kugcwele bona emalokishini eningaphinde nenze lento eniyenzile yabona ilokishini that is where we draw the line township it's our land township it's where we draw the line yila sidweba khona umugqa ke lokishini umugqa siyakudweba elokishini ilokishi phela isekhaya lapho ilokishi isekhaya lapho kufanele imali iphume lokishini akufanele kusuke ngisho uBus John azokwenza ibusiness la oBus John bawenza emaplazini wena nje ngeke usuke uyophazamisa uBus John lapha eplazini wakho uyokwakha ituck shop ilokishi ila sidweba khona umuqa but bona bangene baze bangene emalokishini uzubona ukuthi bayas-owner masithi abahambe bakhipha irifle ngagcina nini ukuthinta irifle ngesandla zami uphelile u10 years ngagcina ukuthinta irifle ngo2013 nokuyibona nje eduze kwami ngo2013 kunomuntu okwazi ukuthi avela akhipha irifle nje just like that akhiphela abantu no guys uthembeni lo muntu leya ntombazane leya yakwivideo yayo inkulu into abayithembile khona le mali abayikhokhayo eprotection futhi akuyena umuntu nje lokukhokhwa kena leyo mali umuntu ohleli lapha phezulu kwi-high table umuntu la ohleli lapha ya kwi-high table ngixoxele izwa ngami ibona abantu abayingozi ke labo laba abanye bayayisebenzela laba abanye bayaruna country badayisa ama drums bayajeka ama buildings uyabo izinto abazenzayo lezo laba bazoketula endabahambi kuzosuka iwo ngoba manje dilonga lento yemarch ithatha isikhathi ukuthi abantu benze into ekufanele bayenze nathi ngale siyalimala economically siyalimala akusetshenzwa kunama delays kunalokhu iCountry yenzi kahle sizosuke sibesuka sithi vu mase kuba nzima ukuthi sisukume kanti masisheshe silungisa lento yabo nje masisheshe nje silungisa lento kusheshe kuqedwe kubonakala ukuthi okay senze njani siqedile obani abasebenzayo obani abangasebenzi imiphi imisebenzi esingesikwazi ukuyenza thina uyayizwa lonto ibapho omakhelwane sibanikeza ama permit uyayizwa lonto ibapho omakhelwane sibanika ama permit kunikwa abantu aba permit okwenzakaleni fast siqhubeke nempilo manje kuyadelay into engiyibonayo kuzogcina kukhala inhlamvu buka kuzogcina kukhala inhlamvu uzozwa yabo njengoba kusancengwa kanje kusaloke kuncengwa siyadidisiseka siyancenga siyadidisiseka uzozwa inhlamvu ezokhala ngimdala phela mina eSouth Africa ngiyazi ukuthi cooperate kanjani fike kuhlale kuncengwe kube kusuka lapho kube kunyiwa uzonyiwa ke manje into engiyibukayo inhlamvu yona ayizokhala shame uzonyiwa othi ngasho uzozwa uzungibuza ubani umuntu wakidnap iSouth African ngoba ibona lo mfana wayekidnapiwe ubani ibona uyabona ba amabhoza kanjani amabhoza bayamamafia amamafia yawazi amamafia ibona kamamafia beloke bethi my friend.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, please comment your thought below. Tell us what do you think after watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulongele, bye. See you on the next one.